Welcome back everybody to my channel. It's Stitch Fix Day. This is box number 3 for me and I'm really excited. I've gotten a couple more people on board with it and I've been really waiting for this box. My last 2 boxes have been pretty great. I haven't bought everything, but they were really good. And so I am a little bit nervous that how can this be great again? So I have high hopes, but we'll see how it goes. So a little bit of a review of my previous Stitch Fix. I ended up getting the green shirt. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. I really liked it. I did not get the white jeans. They're way too expensive for a garment that has such a short lifespan because I'm gonna stay in them and it's gonna be winter and I won't be able to wear them. So they were way too expensive for that. I got the blazer, which I love. It's so soft. It's perfect what I was looking for. The purse was adorable, but I had to make some tough decisions, so I didn't get that. And then we don't even need to talk about the dress again because it was ridiculous and I don't need people to ask me when my baby's due. So I just don't need that on my self-esteem at the moment. So I decided on getting those things and they've been great. And so I did make some requests out of this box. I said I wanted some red stuff. I said I like A-line skirts and I would like some everyday jeans. Let's see what they did and what they gave me. I did open up the box, but I haven't peeked and I didn't peek online. I won't go into all the Stitch Fix details, but here's the return envelope, some other pricing information. But one thing I did want to look at is who my stylist is. And I won't read it, but my stylist is Jasmine. I've had 2 different stylists for 3 boxes, but I did have Jasmine before. The boxes were all good, so that's not a bad thing, but I really was hoping to get the same stylist again. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, looks like sandals. Let's see. I'm a little bit, I do love shoes. Here's the sandals. Margaret and Spruce. We'll try them on. It's kind of getting towards the end of the summer and I live in Seattle, so shout out to all the Washington ladies out there. But I live in Seattle and although I'm dying of heat exhaustion right now, I know that it's short-lived and I won't see these beauties until the dust is thick on them, probably next June. So we'll see if it makes sense to get sandals right now. Probably depends on the price. All right, my burrito is little today, but I do see some denim in there. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, what is this? Okay, so this is adorable. It's kind of like a wrap shirt with a pretty little white bow in the back. It's really pretty. I don't know if I have a lot of places to wear this because I work from home and I'm usually looking pretty grubby, but I do have some sometimes that I do, well, I need to wear them. So one thing I want to look at, which you all know has kind of bit me in the ass before, is I want to look at care instructions. And it's machine wash, line dry. I can work with that. I can't deal with dry clean only. I mean, not many things, only really. But this is a nice kind of stretchy material. This might look adorable. All right, we'll try that on. Floral. Floral. All right. Okay. I don't know about you, floral. She did do kind of red, but it also has pink in it. And I don't think I look that great in pink. And I'm hearing my sister listen to this right now like, oh, you look terrible in pink. And she's right. And she says it out of love. I know. It's got a lot of ruffle, it's got a lot of floral, and it's got some pink in there. So we'll just have to try that on. Oh, this is kind of a fun design. Oh, I'm kind of excited about this. This is a stretchy A-line skirt, and I love the colors. It's like not bad. That is adorable. I really hope that that looks cute on. Oh, she did kind of listen. And then, ooh, some denim, and it's dark denim. Oh, long pants, toothpick skinny is the name of the, no, it's cut from the cloth, I think. Let's see. Yep, cut from the cloth. It's toothpick skinny. It's real stretchy. It's dark. I'm really excited about this. I needed a new pair of denim jeans, or I could just lose some weight and fit in all my other denim jeans, but it's fine. Something happened during the summer and all my jeans shrunk. So, but we're okay. We're gonna try these on, see how they all look, then check prices, and I'll be back. I'm trying to make it quick. My daughter says, when are you just gonna get to the try on? Everybody just wants to see the try on. Sorry. Okay, I'll do it. I'll try it on now. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, here's the first outfit. I've brought my lovely daughter Lillian to help me out. I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea. But here's,
just judge me.
I know you will judge me. So this is what she sent. Okay, so I'd asked for an A-line skirt, and I'm a little torn about this because I really like it, and it's stretchy, but it's not as A-line. It's a little curvy on the butt, like more of a pencil skirt, and I think it's just either me or how it's cut, but it's still really comfy and cute. And I've never had a kind of wraparound like this, but man, this would be the second white shirt, and that seems like it's really pushing my luck. But it is really cute, and it would go with my new blazer. What do you think?
I think it's cute. I like the shoes.
Look at the bow in the back. How cute is that?
That's kind of fun.
So I have the shoes on too, but I don't think you can see them at this angle.
Yeah,
but they're just tan sandals. They're flat. They don't pinch.
Yeah.
They're pretty comfortable. So I think they're good.
I'm gonna do something on her channel, but I'm gonna do something. So I'm gonna rate it, the whole outfit, from 0 to 10.
Okay. What about the pieces?
Okay, the pieces. I'll rate the pieces.
Okay.
I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate the shirt.
Yes.
For you or for me?
Oh, for God's sake! What? For you wouldn't like this. It's for me, obviously. Jeez.
8 for your style, because you need something like that you can just kind of throw on.
What about the skirt?
I'd say like a 6 or 7.
Oh, you don't like it that much.
It's okay.
And the sandals?
Sandals, I'd probably say you have a million pairs of those. Sandals like that, so.
There's no such thing as
probably like 5.
Too many shoes. Okay, so should I try on the next one?
Yes.
All right. Okay, here's the second outfit. There's a lot of ruffles happening here. And it's like a ruffly collar. It's like a lot of ruffles.
It's
a lot of pink.
It looks like a flower on a flower pattern.
It's a lot of flowers. Now, what do you think about the fit? It's like a nice little thin.
I have a lot of those though as well.
But I like them typically. Like sleeveless. Okay, so I don't know about the shirt. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I do think it fits well. It's relatively flattering, except for there's a lot of
pink.
It's a lot of pink and a lot of ruffles, and I'm not really a girly girl like pink and ruffles. It's a little marmish. I think that's what Lon would say. Now, tell me what you think of the jeans. Yeah, what do you think of that?
I like them a lot. I think they fit you really well.
What?
I say the jeans are a 9.
Okay.
Top 4 or 5.
A little long though. Do you see how they bunch at the bottom?
Yeah, but that's kind of a style right now.
It is kind of a style, and I roll it, and then it's a vibe. Oh, okay. It's a vibe. So I could get it tailored if I wanted to, but it's apparently a vibe. So,
it's a vibe. Okay. So, are they comfortable?
Oh yeah, they're super stretchy. They're cut from the cloth. And you know what I like what she did this time is she put 2 outfits together. Sometimes you just get like 5 pieces, and there's really 2 actual outfits. And so that was kind of fun. So then they look cute together. Okay, well, let's look at the prices. Okay, the Margaret M. Deandra skirt in extra large. Was really cute. It's kind of a hippie pattern, which I love a little bit, and it's $68. It's a little bit high, but it's stretchy, so might be worth it. Very cute. The white shirt, I may really be pushing my luck with getting so many white shirts, but man, it is cute and soft, and the ribbon detail on the back is really good. This is a 41 Hawthorne, and it's $58. This is the Karl Lagerfeld Paris Eanswyth Ruffle detail blouse in, it says it's red and extra large, and it is $68. It's really a nice material. It's got a lot of ruffle, but I did like it on. Shocking. Okay. Last but not least, nope, it's not last. The jeans, they were great, perfect, no complaints. I asked for a pair of jeans, and I really like the dark wash. I'm not really into a lot of fade, and so those are really nice. And they are $88, which I knew they would be kind of high. Okay, these are what's last. These are the shoes. I'm not sure if you could really see how cute they are, but they're really cute shoes and quite soft, and they're marketed in Spruce. And I thought they were a little spendy, $59. You can get lots of shoes for under $59 at DSW. So the total for everything is $341. If I buy everything in the box, with the 25% discount, that's minus $85.25, and then with my $20 styling fee back, the total on the box is $235.75, and I also have a credit on the account for $25, so it's maybe 5 for 5. I am shocked. I watch a lot of Stitch Fix videos, and I cringe and get so nervous every time my box comes because I think I'm not gonna like anything, because honestly, I watch other people's videos and I don't really like much, so I feel terrible. But I thought, oh God, if I get a cold shoulder anything, I'm gonna cry a little bit because it is not my style at all. But I guess that's the point. They're giving me stuff that is my style, and that's what they're supposed to do. So great job, Stitch Fix. I think it's a 5 for 5, but I would love to hear everybody's comments. Click the subscribe button below if you want to see more videos. Click like if you like the video, and have a great one. I will see you on next month when I get my 4th box. Take care. Bye-bye.